What up, guys? Fat Boy R6 here. I'm here at McConnell Air Force Base because they got a air show going on here today. So that's where we at here. We're gonna be doing stuff with the planes and stuff, and you know, they're just doing all kinds of air show. What they do best at an air show. So wow, that's cool. Anyways, if you can see, and you can see the big plane behind me, calling the Dream Lifter. And then they got all these down over here too. So as soon as we get a little bit closer, or work our way over there, I'll come back to y'all. All right, peace.
On the truck. The plane was on the truck.
So now, guys, I'm back and we're just walking around. You know, some of the planes. And I don't know. We're just walking around. I'm trying to listen to what the announcer has to say, and just walking around. Seeing all the different planes that they have on the ground. They actually had back there, I'll get it on the way back, there's a 2018 Ford GT, man. That thing was a beast. But he's got more planes, I'll show you. I mean, they got all these planes everywhere. And they got that doo-doo Camaro.
Yeah.
Doo-doo. But it's a nice day to be here, man. If y'all ever haven't been to an air show, you guys need to come to one. But there's another plane. These planes right here that are going by, these planes right here that are going by were in World War II.
I like the one with the black on top. It's like camo green. Right there. That's what I like.
What about that plane on the truck? You see that?
surprised that truck isn't getting crushed. Look at the missiles on it.
Yep. That's what they used to blow up the submarines and stuff and the battleships from World War II. These planes are from World War II, 1942, somewhere around there.
I have a penny for you than that.
And yes, they did land that plane on that truck. Alright, so I'm back again. We got the old dog. It's a bad boy. They actually restored it like last year. Made it flyable. So keep coming back, I guess, when I find something else cool. Watch them.
Are you sure you don't want nothing? That's the egos.
Look at him. Look, he's just hovering up there. Look, look.
Do they end up getting like multiple in the air?
Yeah.